कान्यारा मान्या फुर्र चला रे भाई उठता रे फुर्र फुर्र रे मोरा हुर्र लागर गिंडकड़ा मोटर पाछे कान्यो बोलो धुर्र रे कान्यारा मान्या
Namaskar, welcome you learn with natives, and in today's video lecture we are going to learn gender identification in Hindi language. There are some certain rules work behind this. Before we go through the rules, first we know the origins of Hindi words. The four basic origins of Hindi words are evolved Sanskrit, and second is Persian language, third is classical Sanskrit, and fourth is European. So, evolved Sanskrit, most general grammatical rules are followed by this category of words, including identification of any gender. Second is Persian. So, most general grammatical rules are not followed by this category of words. They have to be remembered by heart, most noticeably their genders. And third is classical Sanskrit. These words generally have different grammatical rules for very simple grammatical concepts than those for evolved Sanskrit words. And fourth is European. They mostly follow the general grammatical rules of evolved Sanskrit. So how we identify gender of any particular word in Hindi language? That is most evolved Sanskrit. And in evolved Sanskrit, if any word ends with a sound, those word goes to under masculine, like ladka, pankha, kutta. So these words end with a sound, and that's why they are goes to under masculine. While most of the word end with e sound. For example, ladki, naddi, imli. So these words end with e sound. So those words end with e sound, they goes to under feminine. In other rule, that is all those words end with any consonant, they are goes to under masculine. So those words end with any consonant sound. For example, ghar, yuvak, mahak. So these words end with consonant sound. So that's why they are goes to under masculine. And those words end with ya, like chidiya, bird, daliya, chaya. So end with ya, those words goes to under feminine. So once again remain, those evolved Sanskrit words are, if those words end with a sound, those goes to under masculine. Those words end with e sound, they are goes to under feminine. Any word end with consonant, that is goes to under masculine, and those words end with ya, they are goes to under feminine. These four rules are working. Most of word that is comes from evolved Sanskrit in Hindi language. They are decide most of genders. their words comes in Hindi and they learn by heart. There are no any certain rule behind this to identify the particular gender. So for example, Admi. So Admi is a Persian word, and in Hindi language, as per rules, it should be feminine because Admi end with E sound, but it's a masculine in Hindi language. Other like Saya. So Saya is a Persian word and it should be as per rule goes to under feminine, but Saya is a masculine in Hindi. And in other hand, Chaya. Chaya is a evolved Sanskrit word and it's follow the rule of evolved Sanskrit and identifying gender is feminine. So there are some certain exceptional case due to loan words or like Persian language that is a genderless language. So if you can't find any particular specific gender of the particular word, you admit that these words are loan words. So keep in this your mind. Generally all classical Sanskrit loan words end with any consonants, they are considered under masculine, and if they are end with any vowel sound, then they goes to under feminine. So these are the simple rules that we followed to decide any particular word's gender. European. So these words generally assigned a gender based on the actual Hindi words. For example, school. So school is a masculine gender due to Hindi word Vidyalaya is a masculine. So these are the simple rules followed by the decide any gender in Hindi language. So this is the short video of identifying any word's gender in Hindi language. I hope it will be help you to decide any word's gender in Hindi language. And if you want to learn Hindi grammar, you can comment me in below comment section and we will decide a location that will be Skype or Google Meet. So thank you for watching this short video and we will meet in another day in another video with another chapter. Thanks a lot.